Students, I am Nisha Nimade. Today we are going to learn topic linear equation in one variable for grade 8. So let us first understand what is the meaning of equation. When I equation, we use expressions to form an equation. Like for example, 2x, 3x plus 2, 4xy plus 1, x plus 2 upon 7. Okay, these are called expressions. What are these called? Expressions. इन सबको expressions बोलते हैं. Okay, you can see that there is a number also and a variable also. Or in the other side, what do you understand by equations? Suppose if I say 5x is equal to 25, 3x plus y is equal to 220, 3x plus 2 upon 4 is equal to 9. These are called equations. Okay, what is the difference between expressions and equations? Expressions we don't have is equal to sign. Expressions में कोई is equal to sign नहीं होता है. Equations में we have is equal to sign. So यहाँ पे एक right hand side होता है, एक left hand side होता है और is equal to sign होता है. This is how we can differentiate expressions and equations. Now when you just go through these expressions, you can easily see that here you have x, one variable. Here also you have x, one variable. If you look at this expression, you are having 4xy. xy, यहाँ पे दो variable है, x and y. While here you have one variable. So we have expressions wherein you have one variable also and more than one variable also. Somewhere you may have three variables also. Okay. Now when you check about the power 2x, here is 1. Here also the power is 1. Here also the power is 1. Here also the power is 1. So that means the expressions having variable with power 1 are called linear expressions. And the equations which we solve, the equations having variable power 1, that means power of the variable is 1, such equations are called linear equations. So today we are going to do linear equations in one variable, having one variable and power 1. So our topic today is linear equation in one variable. So let us now start up with the first exercise 2.1 from NCERT. Okay students, let us start the first exercise. The exercise 2.1 question 1, you have to solve the given equations and verify the answer also. So we will do here two steps. First step, equations को solve करेंगे और second step जो answer आएगा उसको verify करेंगे. ठीक है, let us start now. So as you can see that whenever we are finding here, we have to find the value of x. So जो भी x आपको दिख रहा है, move on to one side. You can easily see that this is an equation. This is your right hand side and this is your left hand side. So let us move 2x along with 3x. So when you change 8 plus 2x will get converted into minus 2x is equal to 18. So here if you see 3x minus 2, that means 3 minus 2 is 1, 1x is x is equal to 18. So our value of x is 18. Very simple equation. Now what we will do? We will verify. How we will verify? This is your left hand side and this is left hand side, this is right hand side. First write your left hand side 3x. You have to substitute the value of x. x की जो value है वो यहाँ पे हम रखेंगे. What is the value of x? Value of x is 18. तो क्या करेंगे? 3 into 18. So you have to multiply this. 54 is the answer here. Okay, now let us solve right hand side. Right hand side you have 2x plus 18. So 2x plus 18 if you have, again जो x की value है वो हम substitute करेंगे. Let us substitute value of x here. 2 18 plus 18. 2 is the 16, 2 is 30, 18 to the 36 plus 18. 4 1 3 4 5 54. So can you see 54 is equal to 54? Okay, just check the answer students. Moving on to the next question. Okay, the next question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Okay, this is the is equal to sign here. Again आपको क्या करना है, जो variable t है उसको एक तरफ लेना है और जो whole numbers है उसको एक तरफ लेना है. So it will be 5t minus 3t will come this side, so it will become minus 3t is equal to this will be minus 5 as it is, and minus 3 coming here will be plus 3. Okay, now 5 minus 3 is equal to 2t. Minus 5 plus 3, what will be the answer? So as it is two opposite signs, we will subtract. What is 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 being a greater number, having a negative sign, the answer will also carry the negative sign. Okay. So now the value of t is equal to minus 2. What will I do with this 2? This 2 is in multiplication. So when I move on to the other side, it will change into division. So minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now again we will verify left hand side and right hand side. LHS, RHS. What is LHS? 5t minus 3. So value of t minus 1 we will substitute. 5 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3. What will be the answer? I hope you will remember your integer students. Get me the answer quickly. What is the answer here? So as we have the same sign, two similar sign means plus addition. So 5 plus 3 is 8, and 5 having a bigger number carrying negative sign, the answer will also carry the negative sign. RHS. So VT minus 5. Value of t here is minus 1. So substitute value of t minus 5, minus 3, minus 5. The same concept comes, it's minus 5. Same concept comes here. You have two similar signs, so we will add the numbers. So answer will be 8. 5 plus 3 is 8, but 5 being a bigger number carrying a negative sign, answer will also carry the negative sign. मतलब इन दोनों में जो नंबर बड़ा है और जो बड़े नंबर की जो साइन है वही साइन आंसर में भी कैरी करेंगे. Okay, students, so we did question 1 and 2. Moving on to the next question number 3. Okay, students, now the next two questions. Question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Again, we have the variable x here and here. So, we will move to the same side, both of them. So, 5x minus 3 को यहाँ लेकर आ जाएंगे तो plus 3 को लेकर आ जाएंगे तो minus 3 हो जाएगा. Is equal to 5 as it is. 9 we will take this side, will be minus 9. Okay. Now, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, it will be 2x is equal to 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4. Why minus 4, students? See, there are two opposite signs, so we will subtract. When we subtract, the answer is 4. But 9 being a greater number, having a negative sign, answer will also have the negative sign. Okay? So now, finding value of x, minus 4 will be divided. 2 is in multiplication, so we will take it into division. So 2 2s are 4, and here as it is a negative sign, here also we'll have minus 2. So as we have solved the equations, now let us verify the answer. LHS and RHS. So we have 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9. What is the value of x here? Minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 plus 9. 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 plus 9. See, we are multiplying one positive and one negative number, so the answer will be negative. Minus 10 plus 9, again you can see that we have opposite signs, so we will subtract. What is 10 minus 9? 1. And 10 being a greater number having a negative sign, answer will also have a negative sign. जो नंबर बड़ा होता है उसकी साइन हम आंसर में हमेशा कैरी करते हैं. Okay, students, RHS. 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3. What is the value of x? Minus 2. 5 plus 3 2s are 6, minus 6. So here it will be again 5 plus minus, when you open the bracket, it will be minus 6. Again, when you subtract, you are having two opposite signs, plus 5 and minus 5. So you will subtract. 6 minus 5 will give you 1. 6 being a greater number having a negative sign, the answer will also have a negative sign. Okay, students. So third we have solved. Moving on to question number 4. Again, we have 4z here and 2z here. Let us bring it together. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 as it is, and 3 moving this side, again minus 3. So you have 4 minus 2 is 2z, minus 6 is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3. The value of z is equal to 3 upon 2. 2 being in multiplication, we will change it into division. Now moving on to verification is still left students. 4z, this is LHS left hand side, 4z plus 3 and right hand side 6 plus 2z. So here you have 3 upon 2 as the value. So 4 into 3 upon 2 plus 3, then 6 plus 2, 3 upon 2. Okay, now let's move. Here you can see 4 is having the denominator as 1. So you can cancel, use cancellation method. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Here also you can do cancellation method. 2 1s are 2. So you are left with 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So have you proved? You have you verified? Balancing the equations as it is equal to sign, both the sides are having the same answer. That is what we have proved here. Okay, so fourth we have finished till question 4. Moving on to the fifth one.